Hello and welcome back. Today we have a geometry puzzle that looks simple but hides something beautiful. We have a square whose one side is 4 meters. Inside the square there is another square whose one side is 2 meters. Also inside the big square there is a circle. Our job is to find the radius of the circle. Now, to find the radius, we will first draw a diagonal of the large square. Okay, let's call this point as A, this point as B, and this point as C. Now, look at point B. Point B is the midpoint of segment AC. Also, point B is simply the intersection point of the two diagonals. And therefore, the midpoint of AC, it means if we draw on another diagonal of the square, it would pass through point B. In a square, the two diagonals always cross exactly in the middle. This means each diagonal is cut into 2 equal parts at the crossing point. So, all 4 half segments measure 2 meters each. Because of this, point B sits exactly in the middle of line AC. This fact is very important for finding the radius of the circle. Now, if I place a point here and call it point I, here at point I, a right angle formed. Now, look at a right angle triangle BCI formed. Here, to calculate side BC, we will apply the Pythagorean Theorem, and it states that hypotenuse square equal base square plus perpendicular square. So, BC whole square equal BI whole square plus CI whole square. Putting the values, and it becomes BC whole square equal 2 whole square plus 2 whole square, which equal 8. Now, we take square root on both sides. BC equals square root of 8. Now, we know that BC equal AB, and we'll hear AB equals square root of 8. Okay, now we know that AB equal AO plus OB, where O is the center of the circle, and OB is the radius denoted by R. Therefore, AB equal AO plus R. Here, AB equals square root of 8. So it becomes square root of 8 equal AO plus R. R equals square root of 8 minus R. Okay, our next goal is to calculate AO. To find AO, we draw a radius to point J. Now, a right triangle AOJ formed. AJ is a radius of the circle, so AJ equal R. Applying the Pythagorean theorem in triangle AOJ. AO whole square equal AJ whole square plus OJ whole square. Here, AJ equal R and OJ equal R. Then, AO whole square equal R square plus R square. So it becomes AO whole square equal 2R square. Taking square root on both sides, it becomes AO equals square root of 2R square. After simplification, we get AO equal R into square of 2. Now, we substitute AO equal R into square root of 2. Back into our earlier equation, R equals square root 8 minus R into square root 2. Move this to the left side so it becomes R plus R into square root 2 equals square root of 8. Taking R common, and it becomes R into 1 plus square of 2 equals square root of 8. Or R equals square root of 8 into 1 plus square root of 2. And this is the exact value of the radius of the circle. Also, the approximate value is 1.17 meters. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, make sure to like and share the video. Also, subscribe to our channel because there are plenty more amazing problems just